Hi guys, it's Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I sewed a baby blanket. So let's get on with the video. I hope you enjoy. Subscribe if you like what you see. You can use a rotary cutter. Before I got this, I used to use normal scissors. Like you can always just draw out the line and then just pretty much cut it. But this helps me cut it faster. So here are all my squares, and I'm going to put the iron facing down because when I grab my pins, all I have to do is just go like this and pin it together. So I just wanted to take a moment to explain what I'm doing so far. So I was able to sew these squares together first, making sure that they were right sides together, and then I sewed it. Then I sewed each strip together on the sides, making sure I folded the seams so that it can lay flat. So when you flip it, it's perfectly flat. And then I just kept sewing all the strips. So now I'm gonna take one strip, wanted to show you, making sure that the fabric is right sides together. See, so I'm gonna put this strip on top of the other strips that I've already sewn and then pin them together, separating the seams and then putting them together and then pinning them. And I'll pin this whole strip and then I'll sew it together. Fabric right side up, the other fabric facing the same side, you know, like both sides together, both right sides facing each other. Then you're gonna put the batting on top of one side. It doesn't matter which side it is. All right, I pinned all the sides and I marked here so I can start here, sew all around, and then stop here so that I can turn the quilt inside out and then just sew by hand this part right here. Now I'm going to turn it inside out.